Satya skills. In this video, let us learn some important points on Indian cooperative movement just for a quick revision for any competitive exam. Cooperative banking is the oldest rural banking system in India that is providing services, financial services since 1904. Cooperative banking is an important segment of superstructure of cooperative system in India. Cooperative banks are the financial institutions formed, organized and managed on the principles of cooperation. The noble principles of cooperation are one for all and all for one man, one vote and democracy. Cooperative movement originated in Europe after Industrial Revolution. Germany is the birthplace of cooperative banking. It was developed on Raiffeisen system, means it concentrates on financing farmers. Under the guidance of Sir Edward Law, an act was passed in 1904 to facilitate establishment of primary cooperative credit societies at village level in India. In India, this cooperative movement was legally launched by the British Indian government in the banking sector. These are the important definitions given, very important for any kind of exams. The core of Indian cooperative banking system is primary cooperative credit society. The cooperative movement was launched with the establishment of primary credit societies. Later, cooperative societies spread to all other economic fields like production units, welfare, etc. The short-term rural cooperative system functions at three-tier structure, just like cooperative system of Japan. Primary cooperatives work at operational level, directly lend to farmers, and primary societies are formed at village level by any 10 or more members who belong to the same region and majors. They are called members of the society. Members have to draft bylaws for operating the society and can register with registrar of cooperatives. After completing registration process, the society can launch its banking operations. It should also become the member of the nearest DCCB to enjoy some additional benefits. Primary societies consist of internal and external sources of funds. Internal funds includes share capital, entrance fee, reserve fund, deposits, etc. External sources consist of deposits from non-members, borrowings, grants, subsidies, etc. The society issues ordinary shares and dividend is not paid on shares. That's very important. Then quantitatively, considering the membership and number of societies, Indian cooperative sector is the largest in the world. They provide short-term loans for various agricultural operations and provide medium-term loans for buying implements, equipment, and long-term loans are for mechanization of the farm. Loans are sanctioned on the basis of production needs of the members. It is usually decided on the basis of cultivated land. Land is an important security for cooperative loans. They also accept movable property, gold, silver, etc. And they also sanction loans on personal security. Societies accept all types of deposits. District cooperative central banks were established after passing Cooperative Act 1912 to coordinate the activities of primary cooperative societies in the districts, and they are the federation of primary cooperative societies in a particular district. They are established to mobilize urban surplus and divert to primary societies and also to supervise, guide and support member societies. Membership of DCCBs is open to all primary cooperative societies, including non-credit societies, individuals and local government bodies. The operational jurisdiction of DCCB is confined to a district. They borrow from SCB, that is the state cooperative banks, NABARD, and also sometimes State Bank of India also offers some facilities. One of the objectives of establishing DCCB is mobilize deposits. That's important. Thus, they accept all types of deposits. Cooperatives are permitted to pay 0.5% more interest than commercial banks on all types of deposits. The primary function of DCCB is to provide financial and non-financial assistance to the member societies. They act as balancing units for funds of the societies in the district. And state cooperative banks is the apex institution, stands at the top of three-tier structure of cooperative system. Remember that cooperatives work at the state level. SCB is the chief coordinator, lender, policy maker to the entire cooperative credit system in the state. At present, there are 28 SCBs in India and they are located usually at the headquarters of the states. The SCB is a crucial link between widely scattered cooperative credit units in the state and the organized money market and the RBI. SCBs borrow from RBI, NABARD, sometimes SBI also sanction loans to SCBs. SCBs act as a banker guide supporter to all DCCBs in the state which are affiliated it through membership. In July 1964, National Federation of State Cooperative Banks was established to provide a common platform for all banks to exchange their views on contemporary cooperative and other related problems. RBI is the ultimate authority over cooperatives. It is primarily responsible for revival growth of cooperatives in India, especially after nationalization. That's why in this context, Bole says that for commercial banks, RBI is the lender of last resort, but for cooperatives, it is the lender of first resort. After establishment of NABARD, RBI transferred its responsibilities towards cooperatives. On 27th August 1987, single window credit delivery system was introduced by the government of Andhra Pradesh. The single window credit delivery system facilitates issue of both short-term and long-term loans in a single contact points PACS, that is the primary societies. Andhra Pradesh government passed Andhra Pradesh Mutually Aided Cooperative Societies Act in 1995. The act provides an opportunity for cooperative societies without the support of government. Andhra Pradesh State Cooperative Bank and Andhra Pradesh Cooperative Central Land Development Bank were merged and formed APCOB on 30th April 1994 to make single window system more efficient. APCOB has its office at present at Vijayawada. It started in those days it was in Hyderabad. After bifurcation it shifted to Vijayawada. It operates through its branches and zonal offices. APCOB offers training facilities through well-equipped training institutions, also organizes campus training programs to managers, officers and staff of DCCBs. NABARD constituted Cooperative Development Fund to help cooperatives for human resource development in cooperatives. NABARD formulated a scheme for reorganization of primary credit societies to implement in all the states. NABARD introduced a 15-point program for the development of primary credit societies and brought considerable development after certain innovative schemes of the NABARD. That's all in this video.